Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Michael.
Nice to meet you, Michael.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm Emily.
Is this your first day?
Yes, it is. I feel a little nervous.
That's normal.
Really?
Yes, I felt the same on my first day.
That makes me feel better.
What do you do here?
I work in the office.
Oh, nice. I work in the office too.
That's great.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 o'clock.
Me too.
Do you like working here?
Yes, I do. The people are friendly.
That's good to hear.
Where are you from, Emily?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, wow.
What about you?
I'm from the UK.
Nice.
If you need help, just ask me.
Thank you, Michael.
You're welcome.
I feel more comfortable now.
That's good.
Let's have a good day at work.
Yes, let's do our best.
Meeting someone for the first time. Hi there.
Hi.
Is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My name is Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm Michael.
Are you new here?
Yes, today's my first day.
Oh, me too.
That's funny.
Yes, it is.
Do you like this place?
Yes, it's very nice and quiet.
I agree.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Oh, that's interesting.
What about you?
I'm a student.
That's great.
Are you enjoying your day?
Yes, so far it's good.
Same here.
Do you live near here?
Yes, I live close.
That's convenient.
Yes, it is.
Maybe we will meet again.
I hope so.
It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
Have a good day.
You too. Small talk with a stranger.
Excuse me,
Yes?
is this bus going downtown?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
No problem.
It's very busy today.
Yes, the bus is full.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, I do.
Me too.
Small world.
Yes.
The weather's nice today.
Yes, it's sunny and warm.
I like this weather.
Me too. It makes me happy.
Are you going to work?
Yes, I am.
What do you do?
I work in an office.
Oh, I see.
What about you?
I'm a shop assistant.
That sounds nice.
It's okay. Some days are busy.
I understand.
How long is your ride?
About 20 minutes.
Mine is 15 minutes.
That's not too bad.
Yes, time goes fast when you talk.
True.
Oh, this is my stop.
Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
Have a good day.
You too. Talking about your favorite food.
Hi, Emily. I feel very hungry today.
Me too. I did not eat much in the morning.
What kind of food do you like the most?
I really like pasta because it is simple and tasty.
Oh, pasta's nice. Do you cook it at home?
Yes, I often cook it at home after work.
That sounds good. Is it easy to cook?
Yes, it is very easy and does not take much time.
I like food that is easy to make.
Me too. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken with rice.
Oh, that is very popular and filling.
Yes, and it gives me energy.
Do you like spicy food?
A little, but not too much.
Same here. Too much spice is hard for me.
Do you eat outside or at home more often?
I usually eat at home because it is healthier.
I agree. Home food feels better.
Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes, but not every day.
That's good. Too much fast food is not healthy.
Yes, you are right.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread.
That sounds simple and good.
What about you?
I eat fruit and drink tea.
That is very healthy.
Thank you. I try my best.
Maybe we can eat lunch together one day.
Yes, that would be nice.
We can talk more about food then.
I would like that.
Talking about your favorite place.
Michael, do you have a favorite place?
Yes, I do. I really like the park near my house.
Oh, that sounds peaceful and relaxing.
Yes, I go there when I want to feel calm.
What do you do there?
I usually walk, sit on a bench, and think quietly.
That sounds very nice.
What about you? What is your favorite place?
My favorite place is the beach.
Wow, I love the beach too.
I like the sound of the waves and the fresh air.
Yes, it feels very free there.
Do you go alone or with friends?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends.
I usually go with my family.
That must be fun.
Yes, we talk, walk, and enjoy the day together.
How often do you go there?
Maybe once or twice a month.
That's good.
Do you take photos there?
Yes, I like taking simple photos.
Me too.
Photos help us remember good times.
I agree with you.
Do you like quiet places or busy places?
I like quiet places more.
Same here.
Busy places make me tired.
Yes, sometimes I feel the same.
One day, you should come to the beach with us.
That sounds like a great idea.
We can relax and enjoy the day.
I would really like that.
Talking about mistakes.
Emily, can I ask you something?
Of course. What is it?
Mistakes help us learn.
That is very true.
When I learn English, I make many mistakes.
Me too. But it is okay.
Yes, nobody is perfect.
Exactly. We are learning step by step.
Do you get afraid to speak sometimes?
Yes, I worry about saying the wrong word.
I understand that feeling.
But I try to speak anyway.
That is very brave.
Thank you.
When I make a mistake, I try again.
That is the best way to learn.
Do people correct you?
Yes, sometimes, and it helps me.
Me too. I like gentle corrections.
Yes, kind people help a lot.
We should not be afraid of mistakes.
Yes, mistakes mean we are learning.
That makes me feel more confident.
Me too.
Let's keep practicing English every day.
Yes, let's do it together.
Step by step, we will improve.
I believe that.
I understand English but cannot speak.
I understand English when people speak, but I cannot speak well.
I understand you very well, and many people feel the same way.
Really? Sometimes I feel I am the only one.
No, you are not alone at all.
When I want to speak, my mind feels empty.
That happens to me too sometimes.
I know the words, but they do not come out.
That is very normal for English learners.
I feel shy and afraid of making mistakes.
I used to feel that way before.
What did you do to feel better?
I started speaking slowly and used simple words.
Did people understand you?
Yes, most people were kind and patient.
That sounds encouraging.
Understanding English is a very good start.
So, speaking will come later.
Yes, step by step with practice.
Sometimes I practice alone at home,
That is very good practice.
but speaking with people is still hard.
You can start with short conversations,
Like this one?
exactly like this one.
That makes me feel better.
Do not try to be perfect.
I will try to remember that.
Every time you speak, you improve a little.
Even if I make mistakes?
Yes, especially when you make mistakes.
Thank you for saying that.
You are doing great already.
I feel more confident now.
Keep speaking and do not give up.
I will practice every day.
That is the best decision.
Thank you for supporting me.
Always, Emily.
Talking about good and bad days.
Hi, Emily. How's your day going today?
To be honest, today feels a little difficult.
I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
I woke up late and felt rushed all morning.
That can make the whole day feel bad.
Yes, everything felt slow and wrong.
Some days are just like that.
Do you have bad days too?
Yes, more often than I want.
That makes me feel less alone.
Yesterday was a bad day for me.
Really? What happened?
I made mistakes at work and felt tired.
That sounds stressful.
It was, but today is better.
That is good to hear.
Good days and bad days come and go.
Yes, that is true.
What makes a day good for you?
When I feel calm and talk to nice people.
That is a good answer.
How do you handle bad days?
I try to stay calm and rest.
I usually listen to music.
That is a good idea.
Bad days do not last forever.
Exactly. Tomorrow can be better.
Talking helps a lot.
Yes, sharing feelings helps.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for trusting me.
I feel lighter now.
I'm glad to hear that.
Let's hope tomorrow is a good day.
Yes, let's think positively.
Talking about being late and early.
I feel bad because I was late today.
It's okay. What happened?
My bus arrived very late this morning.
That happens sometimes.
I do not like being late.
Me neither. I feel uncomfortable.
When I am late, I feel stressed.
Yes, it can make the day difficult.
Do you usually arrive early?
I try to arrive 10 minutes early.
That is a good habit.
It helps me feel calm.
When I arrive early, I feel relaxed.
Exactly. There's no rush.
But sometimes things are not in our control,
That is very true.
like traffic or weather.
Yes, or transport problems.
What do you do if you are late?
I apologize and explain politely.
That is the right thing to do.
People usually understand.
That makes me feel better.
Being honest is important.
I will try to leave home earlier.
That can help a lot.
Do you like mornings?
Not always.
Me neither, but early mornings feel peaceful.
Yes, the day feels fresh.
I want to manage my time better.
Step by step, you will.
Thank you for the advice.
You are welcome.
Tomorrow, I will try to be early.
I believe you will.
Talking about waiting.
Have you been waiting long?
Yes, I have been waiting for about 20 minutes.
That feels like a long time.
Yes, waiting makes me feel a little impatient.
Me too.
What do you usually do while waiting?
I check my phone or think quietly.
I look around and observe people.
That sounds interesting.
Everyone looks busy in their own world.
That is very true.
Do you like waiting?
Not really, but sometimes it is necessary.
Yes, we cannot avoid it.
Waiting teaches patience.
I need more patience.
We all do.
Do you get angry when you wait?
Sometimes, but I try to stay calm.
Staying calm helps a lot.
Yes, anger only makes it worse.
When I wait calmly, time feels shorter.
That is a good way to think.
Waiting gives time to think.
Or time to rest.
Yes, that too.
What are you waiting for now?
I am waiting for my friend.
I hope they arrive soon.
Me too.
At least we are not waiting alone.
That makes waiting easier.
Talking helps pass the time.
Yes, time feels faster now.
I'm glad we talked.
Me too.
Waiting is not so bad after all.
Maybe not.